Hello everyone, my
Hi
name is
guys.
Elijah. This is Alex. In this video we're going to be testing CRAFTSMAN 20-volt bread nailer. Previously we had this huge thing and we do handyman service, and mostly we install or replace the doors. That's why we use this one, but it's really huge and we decided to upgrade and get this one, and just to compare right now, since we have them side by side, which one works best in our case. Let's unbox it and see what's inside. We got the without the battery kit and without the charger because we already had the CRAFTSMAN battery, and this one was just $129. We bought this kit for $190 if I'm not mistaken, but this kit with battery and charger is the same price.
What I can say, this too much bigger gun than this, and if we put a battery, big battery, 6 ampere hour, it will be too much heavy than this one.
Is it really heavy?
Yeah. A small project, it is good quote, but for big project it will be easy use this gun.
We got 1 5/8, so we'll just install the same ones in both of them and compare them side by side. Yeah, I just wanted to try to, for bigger projects this is too heavy, I think, but for the door it's much better because
For door frame.
Yes, for the door frame, for the door casing, I think this is better. But yeah, we'll check it. We'll check how fast they are comparing to each other. So yeah, let's see.
Now Elijah said me when it will be 10 seconds, and we check how many nails can do CRAFTSMAN and how many nails can do BOSTITCH.
BOSTITCH, Serbia. Here we have adjusted the depth of the nail it rams in. Ready? Go! Stop.
Okay.
Let's count.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13.
Okay. Yeah.
13.
This is, not that bad. Pretty fast.
Yeah, pretty fast. I think for small jobs you don't need faster.
Yeah, I think the bad thing is that it has some, delay. So when you press the trigger, pull the trigger, it has some delay, and that's why it's not super convenient. But it rams in.
Nice.
Oh, very good. No nails, and they didn't jam. Because I read the reviews that it's jamming sometimes. Sometimes the nails are jamming and you have to release it, and but it worked good. Worked good. Yeah, let's check this one. Go. Stop. Okay, let's count.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 12,
20, 21.
But what we can say, when you use this one, you take and
take it right out of the box,
and that's it. And you can work. About this, you need open the box, move to object, connect to power outlet, wait, because it's very noisy. I can show you. It's very noisy. You need to wait.
And when you work indoors, it's really noisy, and customers just don't like it.
Because sometimes customers work at home. You need to wait at times when it will be pressure for your job, and it's not comfortable use because
it's a hose. I think
this,
they're of the same price, more or less.
But for this you can use the 2 guns. There are 2 valves.
For the baseboards that would be better, I think. Yeah.
But for small jobs, when we come to replace small parts for baseboards or one trim, it will be too much easy use to this one.
and it's not that expensive compared to DeWalt. So our recommendation, it's definitely worth the money. It's a good thing. Takes not that much space, especially if you drive smaller van like we drive Chrysler Town Country. And yeah, I think that's a really good solution.
Not huge.
Yes, you just take it and go, comparing to this huge box, really huge box with all the hoses. You have to connect everything, check the pressure.
And one more thing. Before we start, it was
Fully
battery,
charged, yeah.
but now
There are only 2 sections. So
2 sections.
if you use it for like bigger projects, I think it's better to have 2 batteries at least, right?
Yes.
Guys, hope you like this review from us. Yeah, like and subscribe, and if you have any recommendations, comments, leave them in the section below. Have a great day, and you know, stay busy, make a lot of money.
Have a good time.
Yeah, bye now.